Meaning of deselect.
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 Deselect. Deselect refers to the action of removing the selection made on an item in a computer interface. This can be used in various contexts such as deselecting a text or image in a document, a file or folder in a file manager, or a checkbox in a form. When you deselect an item, it becomes unselected and its highlighting or bounding box disappears. This action does not delete or remove the item, but simply cancels the previous selection, allowing you to select a different item or none at all.